Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log into Netflix through your web browser on your PC. Now, firstly, to log into Netflix through your web browser on your PC, you'll have to have your device connected to the internet. Now, once your device is connected to the internet, open up a browser of your choice. I have the Chrome browser open up on my laptop. You can choose any browser of your choice. After you open up a browser on your device, you can just search for Netflix by typing in Netflix on this search bar and then hitting enter. Once you hit the enter button, you'll be redirected to the results page. Now on this page, click on the first link. Once you click on the first link, you'll be redirected to the home page of Netflix. Now on this page, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see this sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on this sign in button, you'll be redirected to the login page of Netflix. Now on this page, you'll just have to fill in your email address or phone number here, your password here, and then click on this sign in option. Once you've filled in your credentials, and if your credentials are correct, and once you hit the sign in button, you'll be logged into your Netflix account. I hope this video helped you to sign in to Netflix through web browser on your PC. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.